In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress page. And you do that by logging into the dashboard area of your WordPress site. And if you aren't currently logged in, then you want to put the URL to your WordPress site up here in the browser bar, followed by a /wp-admin, hitting enter on your keyboard. Then a box for your login credentials will pop up. Enter that stuff, click on login. Then once you're logged in, come over to the left main menu, and when you hover over the pages link, you're going to get this little flyout menu that lists all pages or add new. Now if you click on all pages or the pages link here, they'll take you to the same page, which is a list of all the pages that you've already published or those that you've started to publish but are currently in the draft stage. But right now let's check out the Add New tab, which brings us to the page editor, where you can enter a title and the content for the body for your page, and you can add content here in both visual or text. The text option basically just shows you the text version, like the source code version of what you've entered in the visual, if you're going to work that way. Totally up to you how you enter the information. And you've got a few other options up here in screen options that will show more or less features on your editor page. If we just check that out, I'll show you. You can toggle on or off various features, and they'll automatically show up or be removed if you enter those checks in those boxes. You see here now you've got discussion, where you can toggle on or off to allow comments or trackbacks and pingbacks, and I think I'm just going to leave those off for demonstration purposes, and click on that to close it up. And you've got a page specific help section for your add new page. And let's go ahead and add a title up here. And of course this should be related to the body of your page as well. And you'll see that you've got various formatting options here that are pretty much the same as other document creation programs. I'm going to go ahead and copy some content from a Word document and paste that in here by using the keyboard shortcut keys on my Windows operating system. It's holding the control key down on my keyboard and hitting the letter V as in Victor to paste that in here. Now whenever you do this from a Word document, then it's automatically going to copy in all of the formatting. So you can see here that's the link and the bold text, and we can see that further by checking out the source code by clicking on the text tab. You can see it's got all the source code for the links and the bolding. But if I didn't want that, if I just wanted to be pasted in the body area here in plain text mode, then let's go ahead and delete this. Then I would paste that content using this button here to paste as text. Go ahead and click on that. You get this that'll pop up one time saying that from now on, everything that you paste in here, whenever this mode is toggled on, will be done so in plain text mode. In other words, it's going to strip out all that formatting. Go and click on OK. And you can see that it's toggled on because of the little border around there. Now it's toggled off. Now it's toggled on. And I'm going to paste that same content in here, only now it's done so in plain text mode. And if we check that out using the text tab, you can see that all that formatting is gone. Now you can add formatting just by selecting whatever you want to format and then just choose from the appropriate formatting option up here. And if you wanted to add some type of media like an image or a video or an audio file, then you do that by simply putting the cursor in the body area of wherever you want that media to be added. Come on up here and click on Add Media. Then you can select from existing media, or you can upload media from your computer, or you can insert that media from a URL, or you can simply drag and drop that media right into here like so. And you can tell what media is going to be added to that post by the check mark up here in the top right corner of that item. Then simply click on Insert Into Page, and there it is. And you can format this further by simply selecting the image and choosing whatever formatting option you want up here. Now over here to the right, you've got your Publish module, where you can either move it to the trash can or you can publish it. You also have some other options here where you can save it to draft. You can change the visibility option from everybody being able to see it to making it, for example, password protected or private so nobody can see it. And if you make a change here, be sure to click on OK for that change to take. And you can also change the publication time from immediate to some point in the future. If you change any of this stuff here, click on OK, then this Publish button will change from Publish to Schedule. Then you would just click on the schedule button to schedule that future publication automatically. We'll click on cancel. Now here below the publish module, you've got page attributes where you can make this page a child of an existing page or the default a parent page. And you also have the ability to use various templates, either those that come with the theme by default or those that you've created yourself and added to this theme. They will all be shown here in the template drop-down area. And you can also change the order in which this particular published page would show up in the menu area. And once you have everything set up the way that you like, click on Publish, and you have the ability to view the page here, or here, or here. You can even preview any changes that you make before it's actually taken place. You have the option to view this before it's even published by clicking the link that was here prior to us publishing it. And if you do make any changes, you can see here where the Publish button has changed to Update. Let's take a look at our newly published page. This is how it looks. And that'll bring us to the end of this video on how to create a WordPress page. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.